Here is a 2010 Chevy Equinox. This is my first video I've ever done, so bear with me. I've got an error code P0496, which is the EVAP emissions pulse solenoid. I'm sorry. And the Hayes book that is dated for this vehicle is worthless. It doesn't even show the part in the correct positioning. Alright, what I done is I went to Napa, looked up the part, had them look up the part I needed, and went ahead and got it. And then the hunt began when I got home. All I knew is it was located by the intake air manifold, and this is what the part looks like. This is the old part. I've already done the replacement. I'm just going to show you where it's at and how it's positioned. Alright, I searched around on the motor. The only place I can figure out it would be that would be close to it was back behind the motor, just above the alternator, I believe. It was the alternator. No, it ain't the alternator. I can't remember what the part is. The alternator's over here. But anyway, it looked to be down behind this plastic piece here. So I backed out, reevaluated the situation. What I ended up doing was I removed the air filter breather, disconnected the two plugs here, 1 and 2, disconnected my hard line, moved it out of the way, unscrewed my air filter casing, unscrewed the hose. Right here was just a Phillips screwdriver or flathead screwdriver. Moved that whole thing out of the way. And I found this hard line. Found this hard line right down here. And I found out where it was going. It was going into this part down here. And I did remove this plug here to get it out of my way so I can have better sight. Alright. Once all that was removed, I found a part that was behind here, back here, and it looked to be this right here, setting in this position. Although it did look smaller than this than the part, but I was like, well, might as well take a chance at it. So what I ended up doing was the lock to the plug right here was on the bottom, and the hose followed all that stuff. I had a lot of movement room, so I just went ahead and removed the bolt. I believe it was a 10mm socket. So I backed it out, and this nipple in here, it just pushes in, and it's held in by the bolt. So backed the bolt out, pulled it out, and hey, lo and behold, it looked like it was it. Exact same part. Got it up, brought it up through here, disconnected my my hose here and the plug, brought it out, and lo and behold, it was it. I could never find anything on the internet about this 2010 Chevy Equinox, any kind of maintenance stuff that needs to be done. Just ain't out there. Only problem was putting it back in, because you gotta thread your bolt in blindly, and just doing it by feel. And the bolt is, I believe, around at a 4 o'clock position. Between 4 and 5 o'clock positioning. on the mount. So there you have it. If this is useful,